Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna go shopping to Hermes boutique and Chanel boutique, so let's go shopping with me. First, I went to Hermes boutique in Beverly Hills. I could see from FW collection to spring summer collection. I love neutral colors, but I love orange color and vivid color as well. Like this kind of orange color denim jacket with white jeans. Love this white cotton shirt, perfect for summer. I like this H-round pattern. Love this simple style coat. This side you can see more neutral tone colors. Love this detail of the button. This season you can see this kind of denim material a lot. Denim sleeveless dress and denim skirt. Love this summery dress. Perfect for summer. You can wear cardigan together. Love this checkered t-shirt. Now let's move on to shoe section. I love this Colette loafer. Low-key but comfy but classic. This Alexa sandal look kind of chic. I couldn't find from homepage, but I love this. I would love to get this in white color. If you want flat but a little bit high heel, I think this is good choice. I like this Oz Mule in denim material. There's a little bit chunky style as well. I like the bright color of this Avantage sneaker. There's the ankle boots in suede. If you like more casual and chunky style, Carrier Mule is good choice. This Danzus ballet flat looks comfy as well. Love this Blink Mule. It's feminine but not too much high heel. This Santorini sandal, you can see so many new season color coming out. Oh my gosh, love the vivid colors. This Elba sandal is kind of orange with high heel. Love the strap. I like the buckle detail of this sandal. I don't know the name of this sandal, but I love this style and it is made of leather, but $700 is good deal. So many different colors you can see. Now let's move on to watch and jewelry section. Guess the price of these watches. It's like 10K and 20K with diamond. There's more with diamond, like 7K. I like the round shape as well. I love white gold or silver jewelry. I love the silver tone jewelry. This one is like gold jewelry, like bracelet. And there's like Birkin series. You can see so many kinds of Birkin necklace, Birkin bracelet and rings. So pretty. There's a CDC and Kelly bracelet with diamond as well. Oh my gosh, I couldn't find exactly the same one, but it's so pretty. I got a red envelope for Lunar New Year, so I'm gonna open. Let's see what's inside. There is a golden sticker and a red envelope. It's so pretty. Let's open and see what's inside. Oh my god. So, you can write letter inside and put money and voila. Now let's go to Chanel boutique. Love the white large vintage, but also I can't miss this small cutie. Love this pink coin purse with chain. My gosh, this is so pretty. The small size boy bag on my wish list. Can you believe there's a yo-yo? So cute. Now let's check it out some other bags. I see a lot of blue and pink and white color. I love the pink color. This vanity bag is so pretty. I'm not a big fan of navy, but I love this large shopping bag and the vanity bag is cute as well. I'm gonna check this espadrille in shoe section. Oh my gosh, love the golden handle of this coco handle. There were a lot of Gabrielle hover bag. Love this true red color. I couldn't find from homepage, but I love the shape. I see a lot of navy color. There were large size Gabrielle hobo bag as well. Love the mini pink small leather goods. And some denim flat bag and 19 pink color. Love these visors. Now let's check it out. SLG and brooch. There were not many options. This pink was kind of my style, but I have like similar one. Love the brooch. There were so many options. Which one would you get? Now let's check shoe section. I love the metal embellishment on this loafer. I like the white one. These ballerina shoes, so romantic. I love the pink one. Love the Chanel logo on the top. I like the pastel tone of this muse. Even the sole is pink, so pretty. I love the purple line. The sole is a little bit unique. I like the beige color. I'm gonna try these two espadrille. Which color is better? Oh my gosh, I was checking bag section. This 19 bag this season. I love this one. This is so pretty in rear. Should I get one? Oh my gosh, they had Pearl Crush rectangular mini in black color. I haven't seen in black color, so I was checking inside. Inside is golden color, so pretty. It's from 22C collection and the price is 4,800. Let me try it on. So this Pearl Crush, good thing is you can adjust the length of the strap so you can wear in any way. So I got something small. Guess what? Yes, it is brooch. I loved it because it has pearl and crystal at the same time, so it has a casual vibe as well. It's 625 from 21K collection. Hope you enjoyed my video today and see you soon. Bye!